Have you ever wondered what truly shapes your dog's unique personality, their uncanny intuition, or their deep capacity for empathy? The secret might lie not just in their genes, but in the bustling microscopic world within their gut. This invisible ecosystem, the canine microbiome, is emerging as a pivotal player in everything from mood to cognition, profoundly influencing what we perceive as canine consciousness. The intricate connection between the gut and the brain, known as the gut-brain axis, is a scientific frontier revolutionizing our understanding of health and behavior. In dogs, this axis acts as a sophisticated communication network, allowing the gut microbiome to exert far-reaching effects on their mental and emotional landscape. This understanding is vital for dog owners, veterinarians, researchers, and breeders alike, offering new avenues for enhancing canine well-being. The gut microbiome is a biochemical powerhouse actively producing neurotransmitters and neuroactive compounds essential for brain function. These microbial messengers directly influence a dog's sleep patterns, mood stability, cognitive abilities, and even their capacity for reward and motivation. Understanding this production line is key to unlocking behavioral insights. Serotonin, often dubbed the happy hormone, is predominantly synthesized in the gut, not the brain. This crucial neurotransmitter regulates mood, sleep cycles, cognitive function, social interactions, and anxiety levels in dogs. Specific microbial strains, including Candida, Streptococcus, Escherichia, and Enterococcus, play a significant role in modulating its synthesis. A balanced gut flora ensures optimal serotonin production, contributing to a dog's overall emotional well-being and social harmony. Gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, is the primary inhibitory neurotransmitter in the central nervous system, acting as a natural tranquilizer. It helps to calm neural activity, preventing overstimulation and inappropriate emotional responses. Lactic acid bacteria such as Lactobacillus, Enterococcus, Leuconostoc, Pediococcus, Propionibacterium, and Weissella are known to synthesize GABA. Their presence in the canine gut can directly influence a dog's ability to manage stress and fear, fostering a more balanced temperament. Dopamine is critical for reward-motivated behaviors, pleasure, and motor control, while norepinephrine is involved in alertness, arousal, and the fight-or-flight response. Microbes like Escherichia, Bacillus, and Saccharomyces can synthesize norepinephrine, while Bacillus also regulates dopamine levels. These microbial contributions are vital for a dog's motivation, learning, and appropriate responses to environmental stimuli, impacting their trainability and overall engagement. The gut microbiota is intimately involved in the development and ongoing function of the immune system. A diverse and balanced microbiome fosters a healthy immune response, acting as a protective barrier against pathogens and inflammation. Conversely, dysbiosis, an imbalance in microbial populations, can trigger chronic inflammation throughout the body. This systemic inflammation can profoundly affect the central nervous system via the gut-brain axis. Pro-inflammatory cytokines released during chronic inflammation can cross the blood-brain barrier, disrupting neurotransmitter function and altering brain chemistry. This disruption can manifest as behavioral changes, including increased anxiety, cognitive decline, and even aggression. Elevated levels of these pro-inflammatory markers have been directly linked to aggressive behaviors in dogs, highlighting the critical need for gut health. The vagus nerve serves as a primary conduit for communication between the gut and the brain, acting as a superhighway for neural signals. This extensive nerve facilitates rapid, bidirectional information exchange, influencing both gastrointestinal motility and neurological functions. Microbial metabolites, hormones, and even direct neural signals from the gut can travel along the vagus nerve, directly impacting brain activity. Through vagal stimulation, the gut microbiome can influence a dog's immediate emotional and behavioral responses. For instance, certain microbial compounds can activate vagal pathways that promote feelings of calm or, conversely, trigger stress responses. This direct neural link underscores how quickly gut health can translate into observable changes in a dog's demeanor and reactivity. The hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis is the body's central stress response system, regulating how an animal perceives and reacts to stressors. The gut microbiota plays a crucial role in the development and ongoing modulation of this axis. Early life microbial colonization can program the HPA axis, influencing a dog's lifelong stress resilience. A healthy, diverse microbiome can help buffer the HPA axis, leading to a more balanced stress response and reduced anxiety. Conversely, dysbiosis can lead to an overactive HPA axis, making dogs more susceptible to chronic stress, fear, and anxiety-related disorders. Understanding this microbial influence offers new strategies for managing stress-related behaviors and improving overall behavioral health. While the direct scientific evidence linking the canine microbiome to heightened sensory perception or emotional intelligence is still emerging, a growing body of research and compelling anecdotal reports suggest a profound connection. This area of study holds immense promise for understanding the deeper aspects of canine consciousness. Intriguing studies highlight the reciprocal relationship between humans and dogs, mediated by their microbiomes. Adolescents with family dogs often exhibit improved mental health and social competence, with observed changes in their gut and oral microbiomes. Specific bacteria may be linked to enhanced empathy and pro-social behavior, suggesting a microbial component to the human-animal bond. Furthermore, experiments where mice received microbiota transplants from teenagers with dogs displayed increased pro-social behavior, hinting at a transferable microbial influence on social traits. A significant body of evidence points to distinct alterations in the gut bacterial populations of dogs with behavioral issues. These often include an increase in potentially harmful bacteria and a decrease in beneficial species. For instance, dogs exhibiting aggression, anxiety, or compulsive disorders frequently show reduced microbial diversity and specific imbalances. This correlation suggests that targeting the microbiome could offer novel therapeutic approaches for managing challenging behaviors. A recent study revealed a fascinating similarity. The gut microbiome of dogs is more akin to that of humans than that of mice or pigs, especially when dogs share the same diet as their owners. This finding underscores the potential for shared microbial influences on health and behavior, and opens doors for comparative research that could benefit both species. It also highlights the impact of diet on shaping the canine microbiome. Fecal microbiota transplantation, FMT, is emerging as a promising therapeutic intervention. In dogs suffering from idiopathic epilepsy and comorbid behavioral disorders, FMT has shown remarkable improvements in fear-like, anxiety-like, and ADHD-like behaviors. This direct manipulation of the gut microbiome offers compelling evidence of its profound impact on complex neurological and behavioral conditions. FMT represents a powerful tool for researchers and veterinarians exploring the microbiome's therapeutic potential. Research is increasingly identifying specific microbial species and families that play crucial roles in canine behavior and well-being. These findings pave the way for targeted probiotic and prebiotic interventions. Supplementation with bifidobacterium strains, particularly Bifidobacterium longum BL999, has shown significant promise in reducing anxiety and stress-related behaviors in dogs. B. longum BL999 works through the gut-brain axis to promote a calmer demeanor and enhance stress resilience. This specific strain offers a targeted approach for dogs prone to anxiety or those experiencing stressful situations. Certain lactobacillus species, including L. plantarum LP8515TM and PS128, have demonstrated potential in reducing aggression and anxiety in dogs. L. rhamnosus has also shown effectiveness in mitigating anxiety symptoms. These beneficial bacteria contribute to a healthy gut environment, which in turn supports balanced emotional regulation. Lactoplantobacillus plantarum, in particular, may be effective in addressing aggression and separation anxiety, offering hope for dogs with these challenging conditions. A healthy canine intestine typically harbors a diverse array of beneficial bacteria, including Lactobacillus fermentum, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, and Lactobacillus salivarius. These species contribute to overall gut health and indirectly support neurological function. Conversely, the presence of Bladia has been linked to increased anxiety in domestic dogs, indicating that specific microbial signatures can serve as biomarkers for behavioral states. Identifying these key players allows for more precise diagnostic and therapeutic strategies. It is crucial to acknowledge that research in this fascinating area is ongoing, and more studies are needed to fully elucidate the complex, multifaceted relationship between the canine microbiome and behavior. Factors such as diet, age, genetics, and environmental exposures can all significantly influence the gut microbiome's composition and its subsequent impact on canine consciousness. This field is dynamic, constantly revealing new insights. This emerging science offers profound implications for how we care for our canine companions. For dog owners, it highlights the importance of diet and lifestyle choices. For veterinarians, it opens new diagnostic and therapeutic avenues. For breeders, it suggests potential for selecting for robust gut health. For researchers, it presents an exciting frontier for discovery. We urge dog owners, veterinarians, researchers, and breeders to embrace this vital knowledge. Educate yourself on the profound impact of the canine microbiome on behavior and well-being. Support ongoing research through participation or advocacy, helping us uncover more about these intricate connections. Consider holistic approaches to canine health, prioritizing gut health through appropriate diet, prebiotics, and probiotics, always in consultation with a veterinarian. By fostering a healthy microbiome, we can unlock new dimensions of canine consciousness, enhancing their intuition, empathy, and overall quality of life. Let's work together to champion the invisible world within our dogs, for a healthier, happier future for all canines.